Welcome to PC Error Detective, and in this video I will show you how to change Discord profile picture on PC in a very simple way. First, open Discord on your computer and log into your account. Now look at the bottom left corner and click on User Settings, the small gear icon next to your username. Under My Account, you will see your current profile picture and your account details. Click on Edit User Profile or Edit next to your avatar. Next, click Change Avatar. A window will open where you can browse your computer. Select the picture you want to use as your new profile picture. After selecting the image, Discord will let you crop and adjust it. Make sure the picture is clear and not too large, otherwise the upload might fail. When you are satisfied with how it looks, click Save Changes. Your new profile picture is now updated on Discord. If you get an error, try using a smaller image, different format like JPG or PNG, or check your internet connection. And that is how you can easily change your Discord profile picture on PC. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.